This gentleman, he is sharp, he's handsome, he's 6'6". This guy, listen. This guy, when he walks into a room, you cannot not look at him.
Hello, my name is Marie Cochran.
Oscar Malata.
Christopher Benitez.
Connie Sarvernanda.
Ruben Garcia.
Anita Benitez.
Anita Van Ritzler, and I'm a real estate agent, broker, and
Realtor.
Professional out here in Parrish, Florida. My number one takeaway from Levi today is
we all have to start somewhere. We all have to make a plan. We all have to dig in, and we have to take action.
Start doing the video.
Get started.
That time is right now. You're not starting over. I thought when I was starting over and moving into real estate and starting on YouTube, I thought I was starting over. But what I realized was that I'm not. I've got 20 years of success and failures and everything else behind me.
I think the number one takeaway is just the massive action. Whether it's doing videos like he does or choosing something else, it's taking that massive action and just that challenge that he's brought to me to go out and implement the things that I've learned and
be consistent and don't let off the brake.
focus on video, video, video.
Video, video, video. That was just pounded into your head. And every speaker on stage, including Glenda, was talking about video.
I wish there were one pivotal thing that I could share with you, but his information is so chock full of nuggets that you'll want to come and hear it for yourself or take some of his courses. But I can say the one thing that snagged in my ear is
how to treat YouTube. If you treat it like a hobby, it's going to be a hobby.
But if you treat YouTube like a business, it's going to pay you like a business.
The biggest takeaway that I had today was actually getting it off your chest. He mentioned that in the talk today, that he had to get to that point for him in his personal story to get everything off his chest so that he could write the vision, which he did in that very testimony, and then run with it.
Keep going, finding new ways to reinvent yourself, because life is full of obstacles and things that you really just can't foresee.
I literally did not think I would wake up the next day. I was in so much pain and discomfort because it was so agonizing that I didn't think that my body would live through the night.
He went through a struggle, he came out on the other side, he identified who he was, he identified what he needed to do, and through the struggle, he was able to come out and be on top.
He shared his failures and his setbacks. Yes, he's killing it in YouTube. Yes, he's killing it in real estate, but it became real when you started to realize that, hey, this guy has failed a lot, but he consistently showed up to make sure that he can hit it at the highest level.
Closed 2 transactions. Closed 3 transactions. We closed 7 transactions. In September, 9 transactions, 148,000 in GCI in 1 month.
Levi's story was incredibly real. He was transparent and open and just let us know you do the work, you get rewarded, and we're so grateful for the value that he added to our lives.
Really seeing his authenticity come through and really hearing about what he's done, it was amazing. I cannot wait to take this information back to all the agents that I work with.
I learned in this short period of time that you can succeed, and this guy is a great example of. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Levi, your testimonial today, I'm sure, brought down walls and broke chains for many people. I am ready. Let's go.
So Levi, thanks so much.